Our snowplow operation takes more than just the effort of our city streets team. We involve our utilities, our traffic teams. We run 12-hour shifts, so we do two 12-hour shifts, a full deployment's 15 trucks, so that's 30 operators that we take in a 24-hour period to complete our snow operations. Today we're going to be talking about the salt products and our snow clearing abilities here at the city. There's two types of treatment that we do for snow removal. One is de-icing and one is anti-icing. Anti-icing is before the snow falls, create a salt solution, salt brine, that is 23.3% salinity, and you'll see trucks going out and they're spraying liquid on the road. That salt solution, the water vapor evaporates off of that, and those salt crystals bind to that road. And what that does is allow us preemptively, before the snow falls, to break that bond so we don't form ice, and it buys us time in the beginning of a storm to keep those roads from forming snow-packed roads. De-icing is after the fact, and that's what we use our trucks for. So we use a regular road salt, the blue salt, and our liquid. The reason we have a variety of products that we use is they're more effective at different temperatures. During a slushy kind of spring or fall storm, we'll use a regular rock salt. That product is good down to about 15 degrees before it starts losing its effectiveness. We'll then switch to blue salt, which will get us down to close to about 5 degrees Fahrenheit, before that starts to lose its effectiveness, and then we'll switch to a liquid product that will use sub-zero temperatures. Our products do have a corrosion inhibitor on them. Helps our infrastructure, our concrete, our bridges, and helps the vehicles that travel on the road for corrosion inhibiting so they don't rust out as fast, and it helps the environment, so we're more environmentally friendly on the products that we use. We don't use sand, we use just salt products on our streets. The reason we don't use sand is because of the brown cloud, and that's why we're mindful about how much product we put down on the road, because we don't want to have the salinity ruin our environment as well. So at the city, we're constantly trying to find new innovative ways to be more efficient, environmentally friendly, and cost effective in our snow removal operation.